I'm Rajini Aital, Assistant Professor, Department of Psychology, Maharani's Arts College for Women, Mysore. Let's discuss about the practicals. Ising Personality Inventory, that is EPI. Problem. To assess the personality of the subject by administering Ising Personality Inventory, that is EPI. The materials we need to conduct this experiment are Ising Personality Inventory forms, key and norms, and writing materials. Plan. Assess the personality by administering the EPI and determine the personality of the subject. Procedure to follow. First, seat the subject comfortably and establish rapport and distribute on EPI form to the subject. Instruct her or him thus. Here are a few questions regarding the way you behave, feel and act. Read each question and decide whether yes or no indicates your feeling or action. Then put into mark either under yes or no in the circle against the question. Work quickly and don't spend too much time over any question. We want your first reaction, not a long drawn out thought process. Be sure to omit any question while answering. Please note that there is no right or wrong answer, but your honesty is important. With the above instructions, give her the questionnaire and obtain the answers. Check up the answers with reference to the key. Prepare the table, discuss and draw conclusion. Precautions to be taken. Firstly, establish rapport to make sure that subject has understood the instructions clearly. Also read the instructions on the questionnaire. Second, ask the subject not to omit any questions. Third, the subject has to give snap judgment. Fourth, the subject has to answer the questions as honestly as possible. Fifth, tell the subject that there is no right or wrong answers. Sixth, avoid distractions. How to analyze the result? First, collect the data from the subjects and find out the numbers of the lie scores. If it is 5 and above, reject the results. Second, find out the number of extrovert answers. Third, find out the numbers of neurotic answers. Fourth, find out the group average for each type except the lie scores. The rejected data should not be included, but for the practice purpose, we are going to discuss their data also. Fifth, with reference to the norms given by the Ising, determine the extent to which the subject and the group are extroverts or introverts or ambiverts. Sixth, find out the extent to which the group is normal or neurotic in their behavior. Construct the table on the basis of the results by subject. Firstly, serial numbers, subject, and the scores obtained by the subject under extroversion, neuroticism, and lie score, and interpretation also. As we know, personality is a psychological function. It is a dynamic organization within the individual of those psychological systems that determine her unique adjustment to her environment. In this EPI, there are 57 questions, 9 questions pertaining to the lie score, and 24 questions for each for extroversion and neuroticism scale according to the established norms by Ising. If the lie score is 5 and above, the information given by the subject is not dependable and hence must be rejected. Regarding the extroversion scale, Ising states that if the score is 7 and below the subjects, they are introvert. Between 7 and 17, the individuals are considered to be ambiverts. Subjects whose scores 17 and above are said to be extroverts. Extroverts are considered to be social and prefer to be aloof. In the neuroticism scale, the subject who scores 4 and below are emotionally well balanced. 4 to 14 are considered to have normal behavior, and 4 and above scores are considered to have slightly tendency towards neuroticism. According to the studies, majority of the population falls under ambiverts dimension and will have normal behavior. Only 1% of each will be either extreme extroverts or extreme introverts and emotionally well balanced or neurotic tendency. Each experiment has certain application value. The assessment of personality is gaining more and more importance in our recent years for the selection of officers in the army, industries, and in the government such as IAS, IPS, IFS services. Assessment is made in the clinics and also in mental hospitals.